Good morning, students. Before class, explain algebra identities. First three, and there's some problems. Today, same chapter, 9th class polynomials and factorization, and 8th class algebraic expression. Today, next three identities explain and they are solving some problems. Next, fourth identity, a plus b plus c whole square or x plus y plus z whole square is equal a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And fifth identity, a plus b whole cube, that is equal a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And sixth identity, a minus b whole cube is equal a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Sorry. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube is the three identities. Today, some more problems. First problem, expand 2a plus 3b plus 5 whole square using identity. Expand 2a plus 3b plus 5 whole square using identity. Let take 2a is equal x, 3b is equal y, 3b is equal y, and 5 is equal z. Let 2a is equal x, 3b is equal y, 5 is equal z. Then x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Then the suitable values substitute this identity. X square, that is equal to 2a square, 2a whole square plus y square is equal to 3b whole square plus z square is equal to 5 whole square plus 2xy plus 2 into 2a into 3b plus 2yz plus 2 into y compare 3b and z compare 5, 2 into 3b into 5 plus 2zx, 2 into 5 into 2a. Then 2a whole square is equal 2a into 2a, 4a square plus 3b whole square is equal 9b square. 5 square is equal 25. 2 into 2a into 3b. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, ab. 2 into 3b into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30b. Plus 2 into 5 into 2a. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s 28. So 4a square plus 9b square plus 25 plus 12ab plus 30b plus 28. In the same identity, same model, another problem, expand 4x minus 2y minus 3z whole square using identity. Let the identity a plus b plus c whole square is equal. So the three terms a, b, c terms are be positive. But given problem 4x minus 2y plus 3 minus 3z. So a is equal 4x and b is equal minus 2y and c is equal minus 3z. So let 4x equal to a, minus 2y equal to b, and minus 3z equal to c. Then a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus 3ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. Let compare the suitable values and substitute that formula. A square 4x whole square plus b square minus 2y whole square plus c square minus 3z whole square plus 2ab 2 into 4x into minus 2y plus 2bc 2 into minus 2y into minus 3z plus 2ca 2 into minus 3z into 4x. Then 4x whole square is equal 4x into 4x 16x square. 2 minus 2y whole square is equal minus 2y into minus 2y minus into minus plus, so 4y square minus 3z whole square is equal 9z square. 2 into 4x into minus 2y plus into minus minus 2 4 0 8 8 2 0 16 x y plus 2 into minus 2y into minus 3z plus into minus 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 into minus plus 2 2 0 4 4 3 0 12 y z plus into minus minus 2 into 3z into 4x 2 3 0 6 6 4 0 24, so minus 24 zx. So finally 16x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 16xy plus 12z minus 24zx. And next one, expand 2a plus 3b whole square 2a plus 3b whole cube. Expand 2a plus 3b whole cube. Let 2a equal x and 3b equal y. Then x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Is the suitable values. X cube 2a whole cube plus 3x square y 3 into 2a whole square into 3b plus 3xy square 3 into 2a into 3b whole square plus 3b whole cube y cube. So 2a whole cube 2a into 2a into 2a, that is equal 8a cube, and plus 2a whole square, that is equal 4a square. 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, so 36a square b plus 3 into 2a into 3b whole square. 3b whole square is equal 9b square. 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54 ab square plus 3b whole cube is equal 27b cube. So 80a cube plus 36a square b plus 54ab square plus 27b cube. And for the same, expand 4p minus 5q whole cube. Expand 4p minus 5q whole cube. Let 4p is equal x and 5q equal y. Then x minus y whole cube is equal x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. So x cube 4p whole cube minus 3x square y 3 into 4p whole square into 5 cube plus 3xy square plus 3 into 4p into 5q square minus 5q whole cube. Then 4p whole cube is expand 4p into 4p into 4p 16p cube minus 4p whole square is equal 16p square. 16 5s are 80, 83s are 240p square cube plus 3 into 4p into 5q whole square. 5q whole square is equal 25 whole q square. 25 4s are 100, 100 3s are 300 p q square. minus 125 q cube. So finally 64 p cube minus 240 p square cube plus 300 p q square minus 125 q cube. In the same two identities, they are a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. These model problems evaluate the following: 102 whole cube and second one 998 whole cube without the actual division. Without the actual division. So without the actual multiplication. So 102 whole cube is expanded 100 plus 2 whole cube. Let 100 is equal x and 2 equal y. Then x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Then expanded suitable values: x cube 100 whole cube plus 3 into 100 square into 2 plus 3 into 100 into 2 square plus 2 cube. Then 100 cube 100 into 100 into 100, that is equal 10 lakhs plus 100 square 10,000 into 3 2 is 6, so 60,000 plus 2 square 4 4 3 is 12 into 100 1200 plus 2 cube 8. So totally values 10,61,208. The same 998 whole cube, 998 whole cube is expanded 1000 minus 2 whole cube. Let 1000 is equal x and 2 is equal y. Then x minus y whole cube equal to x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Then substitute the values: 1000 cube minus 3 into 1000 square into 2 plus 3 into 1000 into 2 square minus 2 cube. Then 1000 cube 1000 into 1000 into 1000, that is equal 100 crores minus 1000 square into 3 into 2, that is equal 60 lakhs. 3 into 1000 into 2 square 4 4 3 is 12 12,000 minus 2 cube 8. So positive values 100 crores plus 12,000, that is equal 100 crores 12,000. Negative values 60 lakhs and 8, so minus 60 lakhs 8. So 100 crores 12,000 minus 60 lakh 8, that is equal 99 crores 40 lakhs 11,992. So today 3 identical explained and same problems. So today these 3 models practice 1, 3x minus 2y plus 5z whole square. And next day practice 2, 3a minus 2b whole cube. And practice 3, 92 whole cube. 92 whole cube. These 3 problems are today practice.